folks, and welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. This is just a short video to congratulate all the people who won our drawings in July 2019. Now, if you didn't win one of the July drawings, please don't leave us. We have a couple more really good drawings coming up in August, and we'll be announcing those soon and sharing those products with you real soon. We're probably going to take a break from the product giveaways for at least a couple of months in September and October, because I want to take all that time to get up holiday recipes, so everybody's got all the recipes that they've been requesting before Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff roll around. I have a list of requested videos like this long, so I'm going to work on that exclusively in September and October, and we're going to have some more really good summer recipes coming up for you in August. So like I said, don't leave us if you didn't win these drawings. We had a little bit of confusion with our Contempo drawing. Now, if you have commented and entered the drawing, I will reply to the comment, to your comment where you entered the drawing. Sometimes YouTube will let me pin a comment and post it with the winners. Sometimes they won't, and I don't know why, but one of the winners had trouble getting me their address, and I think it's some of that stuff that goes on with YouTube. YouTube also used to have Messenger so that you could send your address in a private message right on YouTube. They don't have that anymore. We do have a Facebook page. You can go to our Facebook page. It's just the Hillbilly Kitchen on Facebook, and you can message privately that way if you win and you want to send your address in a private message. If you win these, on the comment where I tell you that you have won, let me know that you've seen it, because after a week, if you haven't gotten a hold of me, I assume that either you haven't seen it, you're not watching, you don't know, or maybe even you don't want it, and another winner is selected. And we had that happen with these. There was still, we had three of these to give away. We actually ended up selecting 4 people. One of them I still have not heard from. It has been way over a week. If there's confusion with that, I'm sorry. I did only have 3 sets of them that I could give away, and 3 people got back with me, and their utensils have been mailed, except for the first winner who was actually selected and the last one to get a hold of me. Yours are on the way, and we do have a winner for our Pinsoon air oven here. So the winners were Debbie Bishop, yours are on the way. Carolyn Barnett, you should already have yours. Becky's Kitchen Experience, you should have yours. And the Pinsoon winner is Diane Sapien. Yours is coming today. It will be coming UPS, and I have already gotten a hold of you. A couple of things that I forgot. I had let Gabby play with my Contempo utensils. They do come with a set of measuring spoons in them. And this is something that I've probably got 30 of these around my kitchen, and it seems like I always need one more set. So that's a nice little bonus. And the air oven, all of the stuff that comes with it, all the accessories, will actually store inside of it, which is really, really nice if you have a smaller kitchen or you're using it in an RV or something like that that doesn't have an oven. So that's another feature that I couldn't show because I was using it in the other video. I will leave a link to the Pinsoon air oven and the Contempo utensils in the description of this video, along with the discount codes for both of them. So if you haven't gotten one already and you're interested in getting one, you can order one. And like I said, the videos that we use these in, and they were given to us by the manufacturers and the marketers. We did not pay for them. They are not paying us anything monetarily to share these products with you. So all the opinions in both videos are my opinion. It's what I think about the utensils and what I think about the air oven. They're not paying for the opinion, but they did give us the air oven, the one that we used in the video and the one that we are sending to Diane. And they gave us the utensils that I used and the 3 sets of utensils that we gave away. So that's full disclosure there. Like I said, please stick around. We have some more summer videos coming up in August, and we also have 2 more really good giveaways in August that we're going to be sharing with you here in the next couple of weeks. So be sure and enter those. Watch out for that reply on the comments. I also, in the description of the video, under the links where you can get the products that we show in the video, I post the winner in there. I edit the description and the winner's name is in there. So whatever the end date is on the drawing, if you want to, you can check back in the description of the video and see who the winner is. So if for some reason YouTube is not letting me pin the comment, or you didn't get a notification, you can find it there. But please do respond within a week, and as soon as you see that you've won, let me know that you're trying to get a hold of me. And we'll figure something out. If you can't get to Messenger on Facebook, or you don't want to just leave your address on YouTube, we'll figure something out so you can get me your address. But don't wait, because after a week I assume that, you know, something happened and I'll pick another winner. Also, my kitchen's starting to look like an Amazon warehouse, so I want to move some of these boxes out and make room for other stuff. But we really, really appreciate you joining us in the Hillbilly Kitchen, and I hope everybody who won these enjoys them. I'm really enjoying them, and if you guys get tired of the giveaways, let me know and we won't do those anymore. But I think everybody pretty much seems to enjoy them, and like I said, we're not going to overdo them. You know, a few in the summer, and maybe we'll do a few more around Christmas. Don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. And until next time, remember to put God first.